Hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're going to talk about 5 ways that you can prepare your home for an open house. Sellers, listen up. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing is you want to declutter and clean. So you can get the whole family involved with this. Make it fun, make it like a party, but you want to move things around, get things cleaned up so that when you have the open house event, that people can go in, tour the home, and they can envision themselves in there. It also gives you the opportunity to put up really important things like your mail and your jewelry, anything that you find very valuable. You'll put that up in safe keepings to allow to have a really great open house event. All right, so you want to make sure you are taking care of all of the minor repairs. So, maybe you got to do a little touch-up paint or, seal the crack or fix the leak. Those little things are really important because, again, you want to make sure the home is showing very nicely for the soon-to-be new homeowner. Okay, so also another way to get prepared for an open house is to make sure the home is staged well, meaning you want to get things positioned properly so that each room flows nicely. Some things may be in the way, such as any type of kid gates or gates that you put in place to block animals from going in certain rooms. Remove all of that. Open that house up so that when people come in to tour during the open house, they have an opportunity to really take in all the home has to offer. All right, so you want to make sure that the exterior in the yard looks good. We call that curb appeal. So if you need to replenish your pine straw, if you need to replenish your rocks, go ahead and take the opportunity to do that. Maybe your home needs to be washed. Go ahead and get a pressure wash on the home and perhaps even the driveway. Again, when you have a home that has desirable curb appeal, it makes the potential homeowner excited about coming on the inside and seeing what all the home has to offer, okay? So again, the exterior is really important, so you want to address that. Okay, last thing. So homeowners, you want to make sure you provide your agent with valuable information about your home. You know your home best. So if there's been an add-on, if there's been some repairs done recently, go ahead and share that with your agent so that when they prepare a package and they have it out for the potential buyers to have at it, the buyers can really appreciate the home because they see and they smell how nice it is, but they also have something tangible to take back with them that explains what's going on with the home. All right? So listen, I hope this information was very helpful for you. Again, you can always get in contact with me. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me. I'm going to respond. You can also find me on Instagram as well. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Glad that you are here. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. Listen, I can't wait to work with you. Go ahead and get in contact with me, and we'll also see you on the next video. Take care.